We're in Mypolonga.
It's like a country area, so it's a bit quiet and small. The shop's been running for 30 years.
We sell lemonade.
Postcards, key rings, magnets and bookmarks.
We also sell recipe books that students have made over the years.
The Proudmary is like a riverboat that goes on the Murray River.
The river's just over there.
It's mainly elderly people that come here. After they've been on the boat for a while, they come on the bus and they drive around to come over here.
There is tour leaders and they show the people around the school.
And they just have a look at the shop and have an opportunity to buy stuff.
And it's real money, not fake.
$14 and $15.
Every school shop we get around $600. And last week we ended up having $1,294. And anything sold at the outside counter will go into students' classroom profit for camps and excursions.
We bought new soccer balls and netballs and stuff. People around Mypo make items and they go up into the inside counter.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
And we get 20% commission for each item.
$6 for BJS.
We kind of have full control technically. The teachers just supervise us and help us with some monies.
They give us all the responsibilities of running a business and owning an actual shop.
When you're handling money, you have to balance how many you sold and make sure that you've got all the right amounts of everything.
Little poems and pictures of around the area. The first time I worked at the shop, I felt really nervous.
It was pretty scary because there were lots of people that you don't know and it's a bit overwhelming.
But then they always complimented me and they smiled at me and it made me feel really nice about myself.
We're one of the only schools in Australia that run a program like this, and it's very special for our community.
It's quite intriguing to just be able to have that leadership to step up and run our own business at 11 or 12 years old.